If you're looking for quick, healthy, incredibly flavorful vegetable side dish, you have to try this South Indian carrot and green bean stir fry. It comes together in less than 15 minutes and pairs perfectly with rice, roti, chapati, or you can even enjoy it on its own. Heat some oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. As they begin to crackle, add green chilies for little heat and fresh curry leaves. The aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing. Next, add one finely chopped onion and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns soft and translucent. Now add diced carrots followed by finely chopped green beans. Give everything a good mix so the vegetables are coated with all those wonderful flavors. Cover the pan and let the vegetables cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. They will become perfectly tender while still keeping a slight bite. Once they are cooked, add salt to taste and give everything another quick mix. Cover the pan again for another minute or two so the vegetables can absorb the seasoning evenly. At this stage, check and adjust the seasoning. Now comes my favorite part, the fresh coconut. Add a generous handful of fresh grated coconut along with freshly chopped coriander. The coconut is really the star ingredient here. It adds subtle sweetness and freshness that completely transforms simple vegetables into something incredibly delicious. And just like that, our South Indian carrot and green bean stir fry is ready. Simple to make but packed with flavor. It can even make a bowl of rice taste amazing. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know what do you think in the comments below.